So now, which type of mentality you require to build or which mindset you require to shift is the clear for you people. Okay, don't do everything on your own. Better to hire the people, better to train them so that they are going to provide some free time so that you can concentrate on higher level activities. Create clone of yourself. Okay, need not be complete clone. In that area, he is my clone. In this area, he is my clone. In this area, like a item wise, work wise, you can create clone. So multiple Durgas are working simultaneously. Is it possible or not? Perfect, possible. I should control everything. I should have control in my hand. Like, don't do that. Always having creativity. Always think about next level. Okay? Like, sir, now, what is the result? When you clone yourself, distractions won't be there because you are not required to do everything. Because you are not required to do everything, distractions won't be there. More focus by default will be there. Okay? More productivity by default will be there. More focus, more productivity, more growth, more free time. Wow. అసలు ఇవన్నీ ఉంటే ఎంత బాగుంటుంది. If all these things are there, how? More money, more free time, more growth, more productivity, no distractions, more focus. How all these things are possible? Just your assistant is going to provide that. Your assistant is not, can you please confirm? Your assistant is not expense, is not cost. Your assistant is
generating more value.
Your assistant is freedom. Your assistant is freedom. I have assistant means I have freedom. Believe that. That's why I'm telling. While delegating your activities, don't hesitate. While recruiting the people, don't hesitate. Delegation, making arrangements, making assistants is not laziness. It is the leverage. Compulsory we require to do such type of delegations. Otherwise, wherever you are, there only you will be. Wherever you are, there only you will be. Remember that. If you do this mind shift, a busy person moved to focused leader. You will become, you will move from busy person life to focused leader. That the thing is going to come into the picture. Remember that. Okay.